45-degree roof with 12 pitch, or 40-degree roof. You know, we could crank it up a little bit later, and you can see what it's like to try to stand on one. So Ken just asked, what is the slope on this roof? So those of you that have been in construction, some know that from whatever convention, I don't know, it came from Victorian times or whatever, roofs are measured in pitch per 12 feet, right? You've heard of a 3 12-pitch roof, and a 4 12-pitch roof, and a 6 12, an 8 12, and 10 12, and finally 12 12. I don't know where that came from, but it must have been around for a long time. Yeah, when I was going to answer him, I thought, well, what the heck, we might as well. You don't know. Well, that's how many
Yeah, there you go.
feet of rise over 12 feet long, right? It's not hard to calculate. You can just take a standard carpenter's level, and they're 2 feet long, right? Hold the level
And then measure the distance.
and measure the rise over 2 feet, right? And if you multiply that by 6, it's going to give you the measurement over 12 feet.
I've never done that. That's great.
Learn something new every day.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh my God.
So you're looking at the building design?
Yeah. Well, I mean, I'm in the age of iPhones now, so I always, you have an app on your phone, put your phone down.
Actually, just like this, yeah,
It does?
fantastic.
Okay, so that's the level app on your phone?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, and there's an inclinometer app.
Okay.
So what did you get for slope?
I'm just trying to figure out I just have a little bit
Again,
4.5 12.
4.5 12.
Yeah,
23 degrees?
about 23 degrees. What are you reading there?
Be about 20.
You didn't get it?
I don't have
Smartphone lost out.
I like this technique. I've never done that.
I just didn't have the tool. That's all.
I had the tool. Okay, so anyway, we're working on a 4.5 12 pitch roof. Anything over a 4 12 pitch is considered a steep roof by safety regulations. If you're working on a steep roof, you must wear fall protection. Furthermore, if you are even on a 4 12 or 3 12 pitch roof, you may not be required, because it's steep, to wear it. But if you are within 2 meters of the edge, you must wear fall protection. Any height over 6 feet, or whether there's a hazard below, it actually doesn't have to be 6 feet if it's that you're going to fall in. So has anybody here used fall protection equipment before? Some of you have. What happens to your productivity when you get all strapped up and you got a rope drag?
As long as you run it down.
It takes at least twice as long, and after 6 or 8 hours, you are sore in every bone in your body. So if you're working, I'm just telling you, if you plan on doing some of this yourselves, and some people are, if you wear fall protection, it's going to take you at least twice as long as you thought, and it's going to feel a lot more tired.
And then,
Oh, yeah, and if you're contracting out the guys to do it, it's going to take them longer than you think it should. Yeah.
I feel that if I'm in fall protection, I can work twice as fast as I would otherwise.
interesting. You feel more safe.
Because I don't need to worry. I don't need to say, oh, I'm 2 feet from the edge. I can just pick it up and move it.
That's a really interesting concept because if you really don't want to fall at all, even if you have fall protection is there to save your life. You'll still be very likely seriously injured
Could be pretty bad.
with fall protection. So that's maybe a bit of a false sense of security.
It could be,
But sense of security nonetheless.
It's the ropes are always in the wrong place. You can't, you got 2 guys working on it, you really can't cross each other because then you're hang it up, right? And you tend to trip on the rope if you step on it, but you're not supposed to do it, it's in the way, and all that stuff. Anyway.
That's it. No.